Now, I was just thinking about something since it's such a popular topic for a lot of husbands to say that they can share the same divorce attorney with their wife and then anticipate that she is going to get a fair attorney in her favor. I was just thinking, well, you know what? You could take and you could do that same thing related to money laundering. So for example, if an attorney wanted to money launder some money through their attorney organization, so you could say that, okay, I'm paying for my wife as well, and then take additional money from the husband. Now, the husband sometimes they just take initiative to do things on their own, because if you could actually negotiate with a husband, with a hostage taker in a marriage, the marriage probably would not be falling apart to begin with. And so I was just thinking, so if you give your divorce attorney, he would have to do double billable hours at the same time, wouldn't he? So he would have to do billable hours for the husband and then billable hours for the wife. So it would be kind of the same. Wouldn't it be the same thing? Or like, does he take the retainer and then just take it off of just one side for the husband and then another side for the wife? But I still can't figure out why would a wife want to have the same divorce attorney as her husband. That never made any sense to me. And I was thinking the same thing related to my first husband, was always saying that a husband can't sue a wife and a wife can't sue a husband. And I was just thinking, right now as I've aged, it sounds so ridiculous. But I had no idea what he was talking about, because it was just something that people were saying in the military, I guess, that he was around. They were saying, and so I don't know, maybe that was his lessons of the law, maybe, that they were discussing at that time. Because I know they were always going to classes all the time, doing things. And plus he was a motorhead, what they called the motorheads, maintenance and stuff like that. And so, why he would... Oh, but he was one of those too. When you go to court, like me, I thought, I was, at the time that he and I were getting divorced, I was thinking, well, gosh, I go to court, I just want to wear some normal looking things. I don't want to be dressing up. Now, he puts on his military uniform, looks all sharp and everything. Now, the judge doesn't even take into account that I don't even have a job. I don't have a job at all. Or inflation. The judge doesn't take into account, nor does the attorney take into account inflation, nor does my ex-husband.